Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Power Automate Desktop for repeating tasks, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Microsoft Power Automate website. Locate the download button on the site. Click on the download button to start downloading the installation file. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click on the downloaded installation file to initiate the installation process. A user account control window may appear asking for permission to proceed. Click Yes to grant permission. The Power Automate Desktop Setup wizard will open. Click Next to continue the installation. Review the license agreement and select I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click Next to proceed. Choose the installation folder where you want Power Automate Desktop to be installed. Click Next to confirm your folder selection. If prompted, select any additional features you want to install. Click Next to continue. Review your installation settings and click Install to begin the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation is finished, click Finish to exit the setup wizard. Power Automate Desktop should now be installed on your computer. To launch the application, locate its icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Double-click the icon to open Power Automate Desktop. Sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. If you do not have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, you will be greeted with the Power Automate Desktop interface. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available tools. Now you're ready to start automating your tasks with Power Automate Desktop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.